Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now as you are aware, in the last few videos we've been working on the Mitsubishi Legnum VR4. Well, when I bought the car, my intention was always to fit the turbo and hopefully fix that car. Well, I did fit the turbo, and unfortunately it was more serious than that. It was actually a head gasket failure. So I've since decided to sell the car, and it has actually gone. It's gone to a good home. The buyer has experienced rebuilding engines and it's going to be dry stored. So yeah, it's gone to a good home and it's going to get all the love and attention that that car deserves. But don't despair, we've got a new project for the channel and it's currently parked just outside the garage. Now, if you know me by now, you'll know I like anything with a bit of rally pedigree. So four-wheel drive, turbo, petrol, they're all wins in my book, and the car outside is no exception. And unlike a lot of the cars on the channel, it's not got that JDM tax, so you can actually pick them up for a reasonable price. So yeah, let's take a look at the car and then we'll talk about what we've got planned for it in the next few videos, which are going to be released every single day for the next 5 or so days until the car is complete. So all this is pre-recorded and you're going to get a lot of content on this car. So let's take a look at what it is. Okay, so we're setting off in the COPART Audi Quattro, and heated seats, leather interior, really nice. Now I'm not going to be doing a review just yet, we'll save that for when the car's been fixed, but it's currently road legal, so I thought we take it for the spin and we just talk about what the car is at the moment. Basically 2 litre turbocharged manual 4-wheel drive Quattro. Yeah, it's a really nice little package for anyone who wants a quick car, but also, you know, it's got all the luxuries and the mod cons you'd expect on a much newer car, to be honest. So driving it around, really, we haven't seen anything that it needs. There's no major problems with it. I think, just off the top of my head, jobs that we're going to be doing on it in the next few videos, we're going to be repairing the damage at the front. The previous owner has crashed it into a wall, so we're going to have to fix that wing. Secondly, we're going to be replacing a wheel bearing, so I'm not sure if you can hear that, but on the rear there's a drone-in wheel bearing. But apart from that, it's pretty much just service items. So we're going to give it a good service with a genuine Audi filter and some Castrol Edge oil. We've got some genuine OEM spark plugs and I think a genuine air filter and a few other little bits and bobs. So being 4-wheel drive, I'm sure you'd imagine the handling is going to be pretty good on this car, and it is so far. So the UK is always wet, and it's really hard to get the power down in a quick car, especially if it's front wheel drive or rear wheel drive. If you daily it, you know, you're always going to find yourself on the greasy roads trying to get the power down, and that's I think why I've always been drawn to all-wheel drive cars. they just get the power down, no messing about. And especially in the Welsh valleys, there's a lot of tight, twisty, slippery roads where you know, you can actually put your foot down and do some serious speed legally. So it actually makes sense to have a four-wheel drive car. So I'm just going to come out of this roundabout now, and I'm going to put it into first gear, and it's absolutely pouring down, and you're going to see sort of the power and the grip that this car's got. So let's go. It's pretty quick, it's really quick actually. I was shocked when I got in it and had a drive of how powerful it is. You know, 200 horsepower, I thought I'd get in here and I think, oh, it's, you know, roughly half the Evo, and I thought I wouldn't even be impressed, but 200 still feels fast. It feels just as fast as it does to anyone else. Even if you've, you know, got a 400 horsepower car, 200 horsepower is still a lot of fun. But we're going to save sort of talking about the car in that way for the review. I think we're just going to do one more pull. We're going to do it out of the most slippery, cambered, twisty little exit of a roundabout that I know, and then it goes right up a hill. Any car would spin like crazy coming out of there. Even normal cars like my wife's diesel Mini Countryman, you just can't get any power down at all. Whereas I'm pretty sure this is going to get every single piece of power to the floor. This is the hardest corner for a car to get this power down on the exit that I'm aware of. No spin at all. Just gets the power down, every single bit of it. Beast. Now we'll go back to the garage. So here we are back at the garage with the Audi Quattro, and what a beast to get all of that power down all of the time. So we're going to do a little walk around now and just have a little recap on the damage and also what we need to fix on it. So yeah, the damage mainly from the crash was this wing here. It's all bent and rippled, as you can see, a big whack there. The bumper's not too bad, could T-cut that out. So the paint's fine on the actual bumper. Yeah, they also actually damaged the front alloys. So the front alloys are actually different to the rear. So these are just temporary wheels. The outer edge, we've worked it out, is about the same size as the rear, so it's not going to cause any immediate issues with the all-wheel drive, but we're currently looking for a replacement set of 18-inch wheels like the back of the car has. So we're going to get some proper wheels for it, matching wheels all around. We've already got a wing in the right colour, which we're probably going to be fitting in tomorrow's video. And yeah, it's an awesome car. So we come around here. Obviously we've got the 3-door, so as light as can be. And a pretty cool car. No damage around this side, so nothing too serious to worry about. Just that damage down here. Now if we take a closer look, we can see it really is rippled here, and the wing here has actually popped off. So we're going to have to give that a bit of attention when we fit the replacement wing. Now just a little look on the inside. Really modern actually for the year. It's a 14-year-old car, but it does not look it at all inside. Really nice leather steering wheel. We got the S-line seats, which are worth a few quid in themselves, and they're heated and they look really good and they're really comfy as well. So really happy with the spec on this car. It's got all the bits and bobs that you'd want on an Audi Quattro. I cannot wait to make a start on this Audi. It's going to be an awesome car once we've fixed all the little issues on it. Now, these videos are pre-recorded, so I usually upload them as and when they're done, but I've actually held some of these back, so we're going to have a video every single day now until the car is finished. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos, and also consider giving the video a like so that everyone else gets to see the videos when they're recommended. It really will help us out as a channel. So we do appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.